Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can unlock hidden recipes for the Call of Whales Fashionwave event in Heartopia. So basically, I'm going to make a starfruit pearl cake, for instance. So basically, you'll need to cook the seashell pearl cake first. Once that recipe has been unlocked, you will need to change the fruit. So change it to either raspberry, apple, mandarin, or starfruit. Apparently, you don't need the rest for these. I don't know why you planted so many fruits, but I'm just going to change it for the raspberry one, for instance, and it's going to unlock a new recipe. But make sure again you have made the the original recipe, or else it's not going to unlock. And I'm just going to cook that. And you'll see that I will unlock a hidden recipe, the raspberry pearl cake. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. I love it. Okay, so here you can also see more of the hidden recipes. So you're just going to substitute the fruits with either starfruit, apple, mandarin, or blueberry. So I guess for the seashell pearl cake, you're just going to cook it again with blueberry. And then we have the grilled squid with fruit jam. So basically you're just going to make the jams first. You'll need apple jam, blueberry jam, starfruit jam, pineapple jam, and strawberry jam, and then you're just going to substitute it for that. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!